is going on, guys? It's Parker and Aaronstein from Vehiclevirgins. We got Randy from Savage.
What's up, everybody?
And today we are checking out one of the most spectacular buildings in the world, the Porsche Design Tower.
This place is insane, man. Look at this building. It literally looks like a Porsche dealership with a place to live.
And the best part, well, we'll show you. Let's go. All right, so this is Melissa, who's gonna give us a tour of this incredible building. And one of the coolest parts, which obviously she could tell us more about, is the fact that there are elevators everywhere, and not just for you, but what goes in the elevator.
So this is the world famous Deservator. It's the only one of its kind. Gil Deser is the developer here. He has patented this technology in conjunction with Porsche Design. And the greatest thing about this elevator is that it actually transports you and your vehicle all the way up to your apartment. So if you look at these black doors that you see here, those are the actual garage doors to the units.
And it's in Porsche font. Like, if you guys know what Porsche numbers look like, those are the unit numbers in Porsche font. And imagine that opens up and you just drive your car into your living room. It's like every car guy's heaven. So. And
every material is like right out of either a dealership or the car.
Yeah.
So this guy's
been the materials, and it's like
this guy's been on the list for a while.
On the list, yeah.
I am poor, so I'm not on the list. But hopefully we convince him to buy the Penthouse right now.
So this car elevator, it goes 800 feet per minute, so it's extremely fast.
800 feet per minute.
It's 60 seconds from top to bottom, and the regular passenger elevators go 600 feet per minute. So what that really means is that if you don't want to go in your car and you send the car up by itself and you take the regular car elevator, it would actually be up in your apartment, in your living room before you get there.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is like a resort.
It is.
So I love going to places like this. No, I can't afford to live here, but it's inspiring, right? Someday, hopefully, I can have my car inside my living room. I mean, who doesn't want that? What are you so excited about, bro?
This place, look at this. Are you kidding me? This is so cool. Oh my god.
Spectacular place with a car in your room. You're right on the beach with a view of the water. Doesn't get much better than that.
There's 132 units.
Gotcha.
And there's 3 apartments per floor, so each apartment has its own
There's
car
only
elevator.
3 per floor. Wow.
So the idea is that they're really big and they feel like sky homes.
Yeah.
So you have your pool on your balcony, you have a large balcony, like a backyard.
Wait,
with a
what?
Pool. Yeah.
In the Penthouse or in normal ones?
In normal ones.
Okay. I'll try not to start crying. You need to win the lotto. Holy moly.
So it gives you the privacy of driving up to your apartment, like you would drive up to your
absolutely.
home.
It's like your house.
Exactly, and you have, like I said, you have your pool, you have your backyard, you have a barbecue grill on the balcony as well, a fireplace, a 2-car garage.
So let's say you had the Penthouse and you wanted to have 40 people over. How did the 40 people get in?
So you have 4 stories and 20,000 square feet.
Okay, they'll be fine.
They'll be fine.
Someday in my next lifetime. Wow, look at
Does it come with the
this.
cars? Alright.
Oh.
Look at the cop car, bud.
What? Oh. Oh my gosh. So this is just epic. And I'm guessing, look, we've got sound deadening. I don't know if that's for making sure the residents can't hear you, but it also makes for pretty good acoustics. If you put stuff here, this could be, I mean, if I had more money, this is the place, guys. This is like, this is the YouTuber automotive studio of a lifetime. So I'm gonna buy a bunch of Powerball tickets right now and just, hopefully I win. How much is this unit?
This one is 7,250,000.
Okay, and then how many square feet?
It's 3,415 square feet.
Gotcha.
Altogether, you're looking at 4,749 square feet.
4,700 square feet. So you guys remember, not my current house, is a little bigger, but the one before, it was 5,200 square feet. And that was like, it felt like a really big house. This is almost the same size, and it's in the middle of a building with elevators and pools in them. This place is so cool. This is the master bedroom, obviously unbelievably beautiful. I mean, it feels like you've got a really high-end hotel suite, and that's only this room alone. I am impressed. So well, wow. So you can be in the bathtub and open, of course. Why don't you have we'll close this back down, but, extremely, important. You need to walk up to your toilets and, well, see, I'm not important, so they didn't recognize it. I'll put my hat off. That looks more important. Oh, thank you. It was the hat. And then, of course, we've got an array of things that would probably freak me out, but but yeah, I mean the fit and finishing in this bathroom is unbelievable. The fact that you can take a shower and see through glass, sit down with your wife or girlfriend or Alex, and then open the window and look out. You know, you got some bath bombs, you got some rosé. You know the vibe. All right. Wow, I mean this is just one of the guest bedrooms,
Yeah,
and this might as well be master. So now, this is a model unit. Do any of them come furnished?
This one comes furnished. Yeah.
Okay, so you could buy this for 7.2 and it comes with all this.
Correct.
Holy moly.
Now you can also buy this without any of this and
Yeah.
finish it yourself with your favorite designer.
And would that cost, do you know how much less that would
So I
cost?
have one right now for 6.2 million and one for 6.9 million.
Gotcha.
That are the same but without
God, yeah, I would guess
flooring
this
and
is
finishes.
300,000-400,000 finishing or something like that.
A million is about.
$1 million in this room alone.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I'm impressed by things like the walls. It's got $1 million of random things in the building. So is this Porsche, the automotive company, or Porsche Design?
Porsche design.
Okay. So a lot of people don't know, and I'm gonna say this inaccurately, so I might as well just not say it, but at one point they were family members and they decided to differentiate from themselves to create two different brands. So it is part of the same family, I believe. You can fact check me and just roast me in the comments, but hopefully that is right. But I mean, what a view from all the, so is this the farthest corner of this room?
Yes.
Okay, so I mean you get basically, I don't know how many degrees, but
So
almost
it's like a peace
180
sign.
plus, yeah,
It's cut like a piece.
120 degrees of, wow. So check this out, I mean even little random details like, well, one, of course, now it recognizes me. That's awesome, it cleans itself every time, and then just little details like this sink and Porsche design towels. So crazy enough, we go to a simulator place all the time that uses, it's actually CXC's headquarters, and they decided to do this concept where they'd have a bar and an eating area where you can drink, hang out with friends, eat some food, and drive. These are about $60,000 to $80,000.
These are $100,000.
These are $100,000 ones, even better. I mean, could you imagine living here and just being able to come and drive your simulator whenever you want? How sick is this? Guys, look at this. This is one of the spa areas. You've got stars in the ceiling, like a Rolls Royce rain. Apparently ice comes out of this thing. I don't know quite why. Oh. So, some of the things you learn about when you buy your first home and as you're exploring properties, I'm by no means an expert in this, I could do cars, guys, but is how important where the sun faces is to the master bedroom, to the living space, but this area is literally for viewing the sunset. So we got that beautiful pool on the beach, but if you want to sit in this lovely ottoman with a glass of Dom Perignon and watch the sunset. So obviously one of the issues with condos and apartments is parking. If you have high-end cars or any cars at all that you love, you don't really want to keep them in a parking garage downstairs, maybe they get door dings. So the fact that you can bring them into your room is amazing, but you can also buy additional space like this garage. I mean, this is unbelievable. I'm not sure how many cars you can fit in here, but clearly a lot. Look at this. You can set it up however you want. This is like a guy's gambling, right? You got a poker table set up. You got a Porsche bench. God, I'm in love with this place, guys. This place is 4 floors, 20,000 square feet. We're on the 56th floor, and it's like $32 million.
So you got 2 cars over there, 2 cars here, and you can fit 7 or 8 back here.
Oh my God. This is one of the best views I've seen in my entire life, literally. I've been fortunate enough to go to a lot of places. Sorry. Okay, so this is a model to put into perspective what the penthouse actually looks like. I mean,
I'll just live here.
this is good enough.
Yeah.
This 4-foot wide model is actually impressive enough for me to live just inside this box.
Little laptops. It's so cool.
So obviously, this place isn't furnished yet. You can do whatever you want to. I mean, the sky's the limit. You saw how beautiful those $7 million places were. Could you imagine? This is 9,500 square feet indoors, another 10,000 plus of outdoor space, 11 car garage. Could you imagine? This is considered a DJ, stages, art. Alex doing that. Having a party with this view. there's patios, and then there's terraces, and then there's like continents. This is 10,000 square feet of outdoor space, and I could literally, I mean, what? Like, I could get fit just running around here. What? So the other perk is it's 56 stories tall, which is absolutely enormous. Apparently in this area there's not really any height restrictions for buildings, which actually is good for property values in the future if they build more sky rises. But this currently is the tallest building in the area. So if you got this penthouse here, I mean, the top of this is slightly taller than that one. If you look at how tall that building is, that is unbelievable. So guys, I mean, that's a 22, 23 story building that looks like it's a Lego toy. I mean, it looks like what? It's so far away. And you've got an elevator for you to get up here. You've got an elevator in here to get to the second, third floor. Then you've got elevators for your cars. How many elevators? So the cool thing about this elevator is, obviously when you're entertaining a bunch of people at a property this expensive, you're gonna have fine art, you're gonna have private personal belongings, who knows, documents you don't want people reading. So this elevator takes you up to this floor and you can entertain people on this floor and the floor above, and people don't even really know. This place is so big, you wouldn't even know that there was floors below it where everyone actually lives. It's just, ooh. Guys, this is referred to as the James Bond room. I mean, you got turnstile. What? It doesn't get much better than that, and Randy did do something bad today. What'd you do, Randy?
Randy made a cash offer.
Randy's getting a pad in here, and it's gonna be really cool.
Yeah, I've been on this list
I'm so
forever,
proud of you,
man.
dude.
I can't believe they had it. They had this. It just came up. Literally, they moved out, and it worked out. We got to make sure the offer's gonna go through. We'll see what happens. If it gets it, we get it, and we're good. By the way, it's a lease. Don't get all excited and throw down $7 million. I want to see how the market's going to do. Smart people, watch the market right now. It's a great time. Lease an apartment, check it out, especially if you're making a long-term decision. Lease it, enjoy it, watch the market. Make sure you have a open offer to be able to do a full offer after the market's calmed down. Don't let them lock you into an offer.
He just gave some really,
that was free advice.
Really good advice.
Just enjoy
seriously,
it, you know.
Seriously.
Yeah.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. Hopefully someday I can afford one like Randy, because that is one spectacular place.
We'll be partying. We'll be seeing it on the channel.
Next video.
Bye.